Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javiria Uruj from Peshawar Model School and I'm maths teacher. Today we are starting our unit number 5, which is about time. So the definition of time is defined as the duration in which all things happen. We can measure time using clock. We have two types of clocks. First is analog clock and second is digital clock. Analog clock is also known as 12 hours clock and digital clock also known as 24 hours clock. Analog clock. It is an analog clock. You are seeing this clock everywhere, in your schools, in your home, shops, etc. So, this clock is used to show the time of day and night. So, it has 3 hands. Short hand shows hours and long hand shows minutes. When it complete one round, 1 hour is passed, and third thin hand shows seconds. When it complete one round, 1 minute has passed. In analog clock, numbers starts from 1 up to 12. For morning time, we write AM, and for evening time, we write PM. Clear? Digital clock. This is a digital clock. It shows 3 or 4 numbers and 2 dots called colon. Digital clocks are everywhere. You go to school on time, you can see the time on computer, mobile screen and on your wristwatch, etc. Now on digital clock, you can see the numbers to the left side tells us about hours and the numbers to the right side tells us about minutes. Okay boys, can you tell me the time? So tell me, what time is it? Look at the clock and tell me the correct time. Is it 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock? It's 10 o'clock. So, next one is addition of time. How to add time? Let's take an example to understand how to add time. Add 7 hours, 32 minutes and 5 hours, 23 minutes. So, we will add. On left side, we will write hours and on right side, we will write minutes. So, we write 7 below the hours and 32 below the minutes. Same thing is doing with the other one. 5 hours, 23 minutes. Now, add these numbers. Simply add these numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 55. 55 minutes. Then add hours. 7 plus 5, 12. So we have 12 hours 55 minutes. So open your book, page number 115, exercise 5.3, word problem. Question number 7. Umair started his journey from Peshawar to Lahore at 4:30 am and completed in 6 hours 15 minutes. At what time did he complete his journey? Umair has started his journey from Peshawar to Lahore at 4:30 am, means 4 hours 30 minutes, and completed in 6 hours 15 minutes. We have to find the time. How much time did he take? He started his journey 4 hours 30 minutes and complete his journey 6 hours 15 minutes. Time, we have to find time. So simply add these numbers. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 45 minutes. 4 plus 6, 10. Time taken 10 hours 45 minutes. Subtraction of time. Okay boys, now page number 118, exercise 5.4. Subtract 7 hours 22 minutes from 13 hours 45 minutes. What you have to do? You have to subtract 7 hours 22 minutes from 13 hours 45 minutes. Simply subtract them. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 23 minutes, and 13 minus 7, 6. So 6 hours 23 minutes. Now it's homework time. Exercise 5.3, page number 115. Question number 1 up to 4, do it on your book, and question number 5 and 6, do it on your copy. Name of solar months and name of Islamic months. Do it on your copy. Exercise 5.4, page number 118. Question number 1 up to 4, do it on your book, and question number 5, 6 and 7, do it on your copy. Okay boys, here is the objectives of unit number 1. So do it on your copy also. These objectives you have to write it on your copy. It's 5 objectives. Goodbye.